Hi folks, we're here at the Vintage Electronics Expo in Kalamazoo, Michigan at the Kalamazoo Expo Center, and this is an annual event put on by the Michigan Antique Radio Club, and it's the largest of its kind in the country. And it used to be called the Extravaganza. It was in Lansing, Michigan for years. We've moved it all indoors, and it's just a fantastic show. So take a look at this little video and you'll get an idea what it's all about. Hope to see you here. Thank you.
Thanks.
I wanted to ask you, what's the deal with your hat?
Good morning, Friday.
You gotta go inside this one.
Oh yeah, man.
There you go.
We had a bigger model of an A-Trend they call it $4,000. Like
So how long has it been since Santa put a filk? It's beautiful.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how you doing? How's sales? Not yet. Beautiful bogan here.
I had a console like that one time.
This is the story behind Macintosh. All right.
Oh, okay. You tune it for minimum, and you read out what the value is in.
Huh. Grandma's not around, so look what I picked up, huh?
Oh,
You gotta tell me that is. Gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, she tried to interview you.
Oh, yeah?
No?
You can try.
Oh, it's the lady with the blue hair.
It's the lady.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Excellent. Features. This is John and Marcia.
Perforator. It's essentially from the middle 20th century, maybe.
All right, so here's the explanation.
Connect your propane tank here.
Okay.
And then they
Doing a little bit of a part out here, man.
A little bit of a part out
All right,
here.
what do we got? So is this
Got a
like
1938 half.
It's gonna be really cool.
Be very cool. Let's see you tomorrow,
bye. See you tomorrow.
All right.